Alrighty, let's jump right into May of 2024. This is month 14 on YouTube for me with my first channel, my mommy channel, not the channel you're currently on. So let's go ahead and jump into it. A quick comparison from this month to last month. Views 4.2, last month was 8.2. Watch time 21.7 hours. Last month was about 37 hours, and then plus 13 subscribers. Last month was plus 21 subscribers. Now remember, these are combined numbers for shorts and longs. Let's go ahead and dive a little bit deeper. Okay, so again, this is longs and shorts. So new viewers, lots from shorts, not so much from videos. I would also like to point out, so I had 261 new viewers for long form videos. Over here on my subscribers, I got 2. So out of 200, over 250 people watching my channel, only 2 subscribed. So that's a little disheartening. I'm like, clearly I'm not giving enough value, enough reason to subscribe and come back for more. So that's a little bit of a bummer. Though I did have 39 returning viewers. I don't know. I don't know. It's easy to get down, and I'm not up right now. So videos, views 333 versus 3.9K from shorts, which it's fine. I don't care. These shorts here, they're bringing me the subs here. I'm not at 1,000 yet, so I need those subs. So I'll take them. And then as far as published content, I did 9 shorts, it says, in 5 videos. Let's go ahead and go into the long form views. Okay, so I pulled up a few more things here for just my overall videos. Clearly, I have one that performed well here, but I got 9.4 watch hours, 17.9% viewed on average of my videos. I'd really like to see that above 25%. That's kind of my goal right now that I'm working towards. Views, 333. Impressions, 16,741. Click-through rate, 1.5%. I've had worse. I would love to see better though. I'd love to see above 2. Getting towards 3 and 4 would be great, but I have had worse, so it is what it is. It's about the same from last month. Last month was 1.4%, so we went up 0.1. And then average view duration was 1 minute and 41 seconds, which that matters based on how long your videos are, so I tend to trust this number more, which my average percentage viewed is slightly up from last month. Last month it was 16.9, so I made it a percentage point up there, so I will take that. Now let's go into my actual videos. So the blue blip is this video, breastfeeding supplies. It went live May 2nd. Let me go ahead and add my other columns, average percent viewed and watch time hours. So it got 5.8 watch hours, which is good. It's good. It's great compared to my other ones, but in the grand scheme of things, I need more. Average percent viewed, solid. Views 157. So that was about half, almost half of all my views were from one video. Impressions 5,000. Click-through rate 2.5%. So when people were seeing it, they were clicking it. People liked the thumbnail. I think I could have done better, but it's a solid thumbnail. And my average view duration was over 2 minutes. So that's super great. Second one is a May video. It is a Father's Day one. I actually thought this video would do a little bit better. I'll be curious to see if it does in June, because Father's Day is in June, but just a craft for a gift idea. It got 0.9 watch hours, 16% viewed, 31 views, impressions 3,800, and then the click-through rate was 0.6%. I thought that might do a little better, truly just because of it being so specific to the time of year. Like, to me, that's obviously not like an evergreen one, maybe every June, but it was specific. I thought it would maybe fall into more like trendy and be like pushed more and browsed because Father's Day is coming. The average view duration on it was 1 minute and 42 seconds. I also thought that would be higher because I thought if somebody clicked on it, they would watch it all the way through to learn how to do the project. That video took a lot of work and a lot of effort because there's a lot of clips involved and I was having to do the project. And I don't even believe I did that one with my kids awake at the time. I did them separately. So it was a lot of work and it really just didn't pay off, which is such a bummer. If I'm keeping it real. Okay, the next one is when to wear maternity clothes. Always on the list. So got some watch time hours, 0.6, average percent viewed, 39%, 29 views for only 461 impressions, which is very impressive. 5.4% for click-through rate, and 1 minute was the average view duration. And then some of these next ones aren't even May videos. So apparently only 2 of my May videos really even ranked. Yeah, that's about how it went. Let's go ahead and check out shorts. Shorts, we're obviously going to have our blips. That's pretty standard, pretty common. Average percent viewed, and we'll pull watch time hours. Okay, so watch time hours from shorts was 12. They don't count towards my long form monetization. I just want to show you. I got that much time on shorts versus not on longs. 91% viewed. That is actually down. Last month, I was getting over 100% viewed. I got 111% was getting viewed on my shorts, which is super awesome. Views, 3,900. That was down as well. Last month, I had about 7,600. Okay, shown in feed, that's fine, whatever. Likes, 44. Last month, I believe I had 98. Shares, last month I had 4. And subscribers, last month for shorts, I had 25. With the plus and the minus, I got 21 for the month, but it showed I had 25 from shorts. So anywho, this month is only 13, which is down, unfortunately. Let's go into the actual content. Okay, so we got some peaks here of the video spiking. You scroll up so we can see a little better. The first one, bite marks on the crib. It was May, over 100%, 800 views, 11 likes, that's great, and 5 subscribers. So that video went over very well for me and for my level and my channel. Number 2 was potty training before your second kid. That was a May one, and it was a late May 28th. So that one could still have a little more life in it potentially. Almost got 100% viewed, 448 views, 7 likes, that's great, and 1 subscriber. Another one here about nursing pads. People didn't quite make it through that one, 13 seconds. And then this next one, packing cubes, was 10 seconds. It got 112% viewed, 423 views, 9 likes. That's great. 1 subscriber. And then one more I want to point out. This one got 7 likes here, and it got great view as far as time. It was only 7 seconds though, so that helps. Okay, I'm happy a decent amount of these shorts did get over the 100 view mark. I wish I would have had a couple thousands in there. That would have been great, but we'll take what we can get for right now. Okay, so back here to my home screen. This was May of 2024. It was my month 14 on YouTube with my first channel. That was my first channel, and I'm doing my best over there. I am still pushing through. It's a struggle though, and it's not going great. Let me tell you, it really, really is not. And yeah, my hours, my subs, they're not cutting it for monetization. So we're going to keep trying. We're going to keep pushing through and see what we can do and if we can make something happen over there. All right, I hope to see you back here for June. That will be month 15. So come back to check that one out.